Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that sounds scary, the dark web. You've probably heard it's full of hackers, illegal stuff, and danger, right? Well, yes, sometimes. But what if I told you the dark web also helps people do good things, like protecting the truth, fighting cybercrime, and stopping terrorism? Let's break it all down, in simple language. First, what even is the dark web? It's a hidden part of the internet that you can't access with Google or your regular browser. You need a special tool like the Tor browser that hides your identity and location. It's often seen as a bad place, but not everything on the dark web is illegal. Some people use it for privacy, safety, and even justice. Let's start with journalists. In some countries, reporters get watched, blocked, or arrested just for telling the truth. So how do they research stories safely? The dark web lets them research without being tracked, communicate with sources securely, publish stories without getting censored. Many news sites even use SecureDrop, a tool on the dark web where people can safely send tips or leaks. Next, whistleblowers. These are brave people who leak information about crimes, corruption, or lies. If they get caught, they could lose their jobs, or worse. That's why they use the dark web to stay anonymous, share sensitive documents safely, speak out without fear. The dark web protects their identity and gives them a voice. Now let's talk cybersecurity professionals. Yes, the good guys also go into the dark web. Why? Because they need to monitor hacker activity, track data breaches, study new viruses or malware. They use this info to protect companies, banks, and even you from cyber attacks. And finally, the security forces, like police, intelligence agencies, or military cyber units. They go into the dark web to track illegal weapons or drug sales, monitor terrorist groups, gather evidence on criminal activity. The dark web is full of clues, and security teams use it to stop crimes before they happen. So what's the deal? Is the dark web good or bad? The truth is, it's a tool, just like a car, a knife, or the internet itself. It depends on how it's used. Yes, there are bad actors on the dark web, but there are also heroes. Journalists, whistleblowers, security teams, and ethical hackers, using it to protect the world. Now you know, the dark web isn't just a scary place. It's also a place where truth is protected, crimes are stopped, and people stay safe. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tech explainers, and tell us in the comments, would you ever explore the dark web or leave it alone? Thanks for watching, and stay curious, stay safe.